this vlog, I might have missed my flight and the whole experience was very chaotic. I'm gonna be meeting my friend and we're going for shopping. So you guys are getting a haul of everything I got. And of course we're not missing out on resetting for 2025 and making our vision boards. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Advika. If you can't already tell, I'm going back to my home after a very long time. Today is 24th December and I'm leaving back for the holidays and the holiday season. Also, I'm traveling alone, so I just thought to maybe start a vlog. I'm almost done with packing, just a few last things left, so let's do that quickly. I'm packing my camera. I'm gonna be switching the video on my phone now. Hey guys, I've packed everything now. I'm excited, but I'm also like nervous. At least till I sit inside the plane, I'm gonna be nervous. If you guys have seen my previous traveling vlogs, you know how chaotic I am. मेरे जाने की खुशी में
We are having
why are you going?
I'm asking why? कैसा लग रहा है आपके जूनियर के एग्जाम्स है और आपको मजे में घर जाने मिल रहा है?
मैं बहुत एक्चुअली मैं खुश हूँ. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट विंटर्स है, लाइक न्यू ईयर क्रिसमस टाइम, जब मेरे एग्जाम्स नहीं है, तो सब जूनियर्स को देखकर मुझे लग रहा है इट्स ओके गाइस, इट्स ओके,
बाय बाय. यम्मी है.
बहुत डिफरेंट है. बहुत सॉल्टी है. मैगी विंस.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? मुझे तो ये मेरी लाइफ में रिप्लेस कर सकता है मैगी को. आई एम सेइंग दिस क्योंकि मैं मैगी नहीं खरीदती हूँ, मैं वाई खरीदती हूँ. मेरे पास एक और पैकेट है.
क्या? Why would you do that? Bye. After coming out from the hostel, I always have this feeling that I forgot something. I definitely forgot something. I was just overthinking what could I possibly have forgotten this time. Guess what I forgot? My Kindle. I recently started a book on it and I was super excited to read that book throughout this journey, and I forgot my Kindle. When I thought this is going to be the saddest part of the day, it started raining and my flight left at 9 p.m. It was already 7 p.m. and we were stuck in traffic. बहुत ज़्यादा traffic है, like insane traffic. Like cars are not even moving. I am actually thinking कि मैं metro ले लूँ or else I'm definitely gonna miss my flight और मुझे रोना आ रहा है. So then I decided कि कार में बैठ के overthink करने से तो better है कि मैं metro में ही बैठ जाऊँ. So I asked the cab driver to drop me at the nearest metro station because there was a lot of traffic, so I had to walk in the rain just to realize that he dropped me at the railway station. Dropped me at the railway station. अब यहाँ से I have to take the metro. I think there is an 80% chance that I'm gonna miss my flight. The good news is कि railway station से connected एक और metro station है. I just had to cross the whole railway station for it. So then I finally reached the metro station and took the airport expressway metro to reach to the airport. Now you might be thinking this is it. अब तो मैं metro से सीधे airport उतरूंगी. But मेरी life का plot इतना simple and easy तो नहीं हो सकता. I had to reach terminal 1 जिसके लिए मुझे एक बस लेनी थी from this metro station. Only 1 hour was left for my flight to take off. So I had no other option but to sit in the shady bus. इस बस में बैठ के I also realized that there were few more people like me जो इंदौर travel करना चाह रहे थे in the same flight. So ये देख के मेरी hopes थोड़ी बढ़ गई थी कि शायद मैं अपनी flight catch कर पाऊँ. As soon as I reached the airport, I literally ran to the check-in counter because मुझे अपना bag भी check-in कराना था. I'm gonna miss my flight, guys. Flight leaves at 9. You please hold इंदौर. Then थोड़ा बहुत बोलने के बाद he actually listened to me and I am so grateful for that man that day. Like I told you, right? I told you on this over. So the security stopped me today, जो कि बहुत कम होता है. It's always due to my camera or something, and it did today. And now I'm confused where my gate is. There's gate 16 there. When I reached my gate, boarding was almost done. I was amongst the last few people. Dad, मैं board कर रही हूँ. But for some reason, I felt so proud कि after all this struggle and stress, I finally got my flight. So this proves that no matter how much impossible the task might seem or what others might tell you, you need to run to catch your dreams in 2025. And then I reached Indore, the cleanest city of India. I obviously have to mention it every time. Yeah, I've reached and my parents are also here. So आज तो मैं इतना भागी हूँ. pasta, my favorite. Hello Mama, good morning. This is Indore's most famous breakfast option. पोहा. लिटरली मैं इसको कब से क्रेव करी थी. मैं जब भी डेली में पोहा खाती हूँ तो मैं हर बार यही सोचती हूँ इंदौर के पोहे को तो कोई भी बीट नहीं कर सकता.
More item is there. This is called sabudana vada.
Damn. What's up guys? So today I'm going to meet one of my friends. Her name is Khushi. You guys might already know her from my Pondicherry vlog. I know her from class 11. We meet only during the holidays when I come to Indore, or if you're traveling. It's super fun to catch with old friends because like I feel your school friends or friends from your childhood are way better than college friends. Anyways, let's get ready. I wanted to wear this pendant. Wait, I'll show you. It's this one. It has a heart. It's so pretty. So after getting ready, I was on my way to meet Khushi. My mom was gonna drop me halfway and it was a full-on yap session in the car. I find talking to my mom and catching up with her very therapeutic, so it was really fun. And then after halfway, Khushi picked me up. We were on a two-wheeler and I realized that I am not wearing the proper outfit for it because it was a very windy day. Anyways, we reached the mall. This is the Phoenix Citadel, and as soon as we entered, I realized that we picked the wrong day because it was Sunday and New Year was near, and so it was way too crowded. शायद खुशी आज अपनी first book लेगी, hopefully. Then we went to Mr. DIY and I realized that I might have a very weird obsession with this word, which is called so cute. Cute है. Oh, ये वाला cute है. ये भी cute है. मुझे हर चीज cute लग रही है. Oh my god, ये कितना cute figgy है. We stumbled upon this book fair in the mall and I thought maybe it's a sign for me to get a new book. I actually want to get like a thriller mystery book and I've heard a lot about Lisa Jewell and C. Foley. I'm confused कि मैं कौन सी book लूँ. Probably I'll ask someone or put up a poll on Instagram and let you guys decide which book I should get. Like there's this book which is called like Across the something, पर वो मुझे मिल नहीं पा रही है. Next stop Miniso. Oh my god, इसकी wedding हो गई. जो इन दोनों की wedding हो गई है. Guys, this is one of my favorite fragrances और मैं भी खुशी try करने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna be trying Springtime in Paris in Indore. बहुत अच्छी है. ये फ्रूटी और फ्लोरल दोनों है. एक्चुअली बहुत अच्छी है. अब हम जा रहे हैं फूड कोर्ट. H&M और यहाँ सेल चल रही है एंड मुझे इनको दिखाना है. This is only for $5.99 and this one for $400 and I love material and everything, but ये full price पे तो I'm not sure about it.
Similar to what Adrika is getting.
But this is only for 400 rupees.
Yes, and this for 200.
Okay guys, my family is gonna try to smell this candle और वो बताएगी कि ये कौन सी smell है.
Floral flowers. This is actually nice. I can smell mint kind of.
ये ऐसी स्मेल है जो सिर्फ डैड ही इसको बोल सकते हैं. चलो दे दो. इसका नाम है Springtime in Paris. Guys, look at the date. It is 31st December, the last date of 2024. And today I decided to reflect on my year, set some goals and also make our 2025 vision board. We do this every year, but this year is a little different because I'm at my home. But I'm going to be using my planner for 2025 and it has actually a section for 2024 and then also a section for my 2025 goals. So let's get started. So first we're going to be reflecting on this past year. So in January, I tried a lot of different cuisines. Of course, we're not gonna forget the very stressful exam season. I gave my third prof that month. Then let's go to February. Our Dreamcatchers community got 300,000 big. I started my room transformation. March was so amazing. I went to the Ed Sheeran's concert. We couldn't have vada pav, but it's fine because we're going in 2025 again. In April, I properly started implementing all the ideas that I had for my business. अभी हमने merge business ideas सोच लिया है. And आज for the first time going to shop for making clothes. I also went on my first ever solo date. This year I really want to do a lot of solo dates and a lot of solo traveling as well. In May I went to McLeodganj with my friends. In June I had a reading sprint and I also watched one of my favorite movies ever, Inside Out 2. In July I finally went to Spiti Valley with my family. Honestly, one of the most beautiful places I've been. In August I turned 22 and there was also the Justice for Doctors March where all the doctors united and fought for a common cause. September has most of my core memories. My dream business, Dreamcatchers, finally launched. And also we had the wedding of Akshay's brother. I actually vlogged it but I never put it out, so let me know if you would like that vlog. In October we hit 500,000 subscribers on YouTube. In November I went to my first ever YouTube event. And in December we had our second drop for Dreamcatchers. After recapping my whole year, I journaled some learnings from 2024, spent some time on thinking about what are gonna be my ins and outs for 2025. Then it was time for setting my goals and also planning an action to achieve them. Because after you have your goals ready, we are gonna be picking out some pictures for our vision board. Not just any picture, but pictures that really evoke like an emotion inside you whenever you see them. You guys know the drill by now. You just go on Pinterest, select some pictures. Let me know if you made a vision board in 2025. This was my first time ever making a physical vision board. I thought to sat in my balcony and kind of arrange everything very aesthetically. So finally, after spending 1 hour on this is how my vision board was looking. I am so proud of it. I brought this back to my hostel and put this very close to my desk.
I'm honestly so proud of how it turned out. It looks so pretty.
Also, before ending this vlog, I just want to say a very happy new year, Dreamcatchers. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, keep dreaming, keep smiling, and keep achieving.